I bet you never heard facts like this about Yellowstone bison before. This fuzzy skull can take 6,000 pounds of force, smashing rivals without a flinch. Their thick fur traps heat so well, snow sits unmelted on their back. Bison exhale air at 104 degrees Fahrenheit, creating a steam shield that warms their faces, preventing frostbite on nostrils during Yellowstone's blizzards. Bison's rumen, a 50-gallon stomach chamber, hosts 100 trillion microbes that ferment winter's tough grasses, producing 70% of their energy and enough heat to raise their core temperature by 2 degrees Fahrenheit, warming them in -40 degrees.